loves, welcome back to Jacinta's World. Today I'm making a quick and simple meal that is scrambled eggs with ugali using ingredients most of us already have. Let's get started. Get much into the cooking, kindly guys, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell a friend to tell a friend. This is what you're going to use: an onion, 2 tomatoes, carrot, just a piece of carrot, and of course ho-ho. Yeah, so our tomatoes, small. Of course the tomatoes I had already, how do they call it by the way, kutoa ngozi jamani, way. Yeah, so these are all the ingredients you're going to use. Of course, when you see them, they are readily available. All of us have these, and since I had them, I was like, yeah, let me make this. Our tomatoes, we have our ho-ho, our onion, and now we're going to grate the carrots so that they don't give this ugly look when you're cooking. In a hot pan with a little oil, yeah, not much, just little. Start by adding in our onions and cooking them until soft. Now we're going to add our garlic powder just to, get this. I don't know, I love garlic, so every time I add it in food, I feel nice. So we're going to add it in. Next, we're going to use the onion powder, just a little bit, because of course we have our onions with it. I don't know, but just a little bit, or maybe according to how you love them. Yeah, and then we're going to give it a proper stir and so we're going to let our onion cook and give us that golden, is it the golden brown or the golden color? Yeah. Going to add in our ho-hos. Time we're going to add in our tomatoes plus the carrots. Yeah, so we're going to give it a proper stir, and then see, just like that. And to add salt, just a pinch of salt, so that our food doesn't lack taste. All thanks to Lot's wife. Yeah. So tutakoroga so that the salt ishike ndani, yani iwe ndani. Get. Anyway, English is hard, Swahili is harder, but we shall conquer. What can I say? We are going to cover it, so that it can simmer, cook. So we'll keep on doing that, and now we're going to add in a little bit of water so that our carrots can cook well, and our tomatoes too, so that we get that paste, a thick paste. So small, you're going to just be adding small water. How do you say it? Like a little water? I don't know. English is not my thing, but so tunaendelea kuongeza maji tukifunika so that the paste becomes thick enough. Now let's cover it up. Our paste is almost ready, so we're going to add in our Royco cube for that big flavor. So we'll have to add a little water so that the Royco cube can, shikana yani shikane na maji, because inafaa ishike everywhere. So if we don't add the water, I don't know, maybe when you're eating one part utakuwa unasikia ina Royco cube, maybe baki donge get. So I'm doing this so that I can just get a finer paste with no vitu kando. And then we have it, our final paste. We're going to do now is to add our eggs. Anyway, mimi sijui lakini napenda kuweka mayai hivi. Leo siku moja chungu unaweza kutana na nini na yaibovu mtongo yo. By the way, you have to be careful with your eggs because eggs can teach you. They can give you character. They can show you pepe and shege back. Yeah, so this is it. This is that point. Almost ready. Look at that. Jamani. Already na feel mini material. Yeah, so it's almost ready and look at that. Because it has the flavorful color, because you know carrots, they give you that color. Yeah, man. It's done. Still preparing ugali. I know it's a bit mbio, but yeah, everyone knows how to make ugali. I don't know, but I feel like everyone has the way they do the ugali and they feel nice. But yeah. Special thanks to my awesome neighbor Faith, who was behind the camera today. This video wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you so much, girl. And our ugali is ready. Sijui ni mimi pia yangu napenda kuunguza sufuria bani. Yeah, our ugali is ready. The final plate, soft ugali with scrambled eggs full of flavor. This meal is quick and made with love. Of course, homemade food. If this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Jacinta's World Cooking Video.